Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're talking about thumbnails and how I make them for free. Alright, so if you're like me and you're starting this YouTube thing out on a budget, it makes sense to use freeware as much as possible. There are tons of free software out there, but my preference is to use simple tools built in the browser. The two websites that I use are pixlr.com and remove.bg, and they're completely free. Neither of these sites are sponsored, so let's dig in. Pixlr is a photo editor that allows you to create images rapidly. You can import photos of many formats, add text, colors, or if you don't want to start from scratch, see if one of the many templates can work for you. You don't even have to make an account, but projects are saved in your local memory cache, so you can come back to use or make edits while the cache exists. I personally have used this software in the past to draw caricatures, stream emotes, stream overlays, and just recently started using it for YouTube thumbnails. The second site I use is remove.bg. You can probably tell from its site name that its purpose is to remove backgrounds, which comes in handy when used with Pixlr to add multiple different layers to your thumbnail. Again, no account creation necessary. Just drop your file onto the page and it automatically takes the background out. If a part of the background doesn't get removed or if something gets removed that shouldn't, it has a built-in tool to manually add or remove the background. After you're done, simply click download, import the picture into Pixlr, and you're good to go. I know there are a lot of different free softwares out there, but these seem to work the best for me at this current time. They're light and they get the job done, which when you're starting to push videos out and learn at the same time, it's exactly what you need. Try them out and let me know what you think. Or if you have some free software you think I should definitely check, drop it in the comments for me. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I, the Buff Engineer, will see you next week.